True and false statements can help build relational understanding and address the student's misconceptions. Any of these could be the focus of a number talk, and the concrete idea of a balance or seesaw can help students' reasoning. Students will find it easy on the seesaw or a balance scale if one side is the expression, the other side is the answer, but students may get confused when the first side, the left side, is the answer and the second side, or the right side, is the expression, or both sides are expressions. For example, 3 times 4 in parentheses plus 2 on one side of the equal sign and the other side is 2 times 7. Students may want to combine them into one giant expression, which would be 3 times 4 parentheses plus 2, and then they would add instead of an equal sign, they would put like an addition sign in there, times 2 times 7. In activity 13.14, true or false, students will be introduced to true and false statements or equations with simple examples to explain what is meant to be a true equation or a false equation. Then they put several simple equations on the board, some true, some false. The following are appropriate for primary grade. So 5 is equal to 5 plus 2. That is true. 4 plus 1 is equal to 6. Not true. 8 equals 10 minus 1. No, false. 4 plus 5 equals 8 plus 1. That is true. Some more challenging problems could be 120 equals 60 times 2, or adding fractions, 1/2 equals 1/4 plus 1/4, or 1210 minus 35 equals 1310 minus 45, 1 equals 3/4 plus 2 1/2, or 0.4 times 15 equals 0.2 times 30. Variables can be used to represent a unique but unknown quantity, a missing number, or represent a quantity that varies, output of a function. The missing value explorations are examples of variables as known as equations. Some missing value explorations could be 4 plus an unknown equals 6, 4.5 plus 5.5 equals a plus 1, a times 4 equals 4.8. In the figure with the baseball, soccer ball, and football, students can explore the equations with 3 variables. The variables or missing values can be determined through reasoning. So in this one, you notice that the first 2 have a baseball, soccer ball, and a football. So if you add those 2 together, so you end up having 2.6 pounds with 2 baseballs, a football, and a soccer ball. And then you subtract number 3, the 1.9, the football and the soccer ball, and then you're left with 0.7 for the 2 baseballs. So if you split that up, baseballs are 3.35, and if you subtract the football from number 1, so 1.25 subtract 0.35, you end up with 0.9 pounds for the football. And number 2, you subtract a 0.35 from 1 and 35 hundredths pounds, and soccer ball is 1 pound.